Do you want your headphone to sound better on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? The Adapt Sound feature lets you optimize audio based on your age and listening preferences, creating a better listening experience whenever you are using headphone. Let me show you how. First, open setting, scroll down and tap accessibility, tap hearing enhancement, tap Adapt Sound, turn on Adapt Sound. Here, choose when you want Adapt Sound to be used. You can select media and calls, only media, or only calls. For this example, let's choose media and calls. Next, choose the age range that best matches you. You can select under 30 years old, which boosts high frequencies, 30 to 60 years old, which boosts high and mid frequencies, or over 60 years old, which boosts all frequencies. For this example, let's choose 30 to 60 years old. If you like to fine-tune the preset, tap the settings icon next to it. Here, you can choose your preferred ear for calls by selecting left or right. You can also choose sound preference between clear and soft. If you like to hear the difference, tap preview to listen before applying the setting. For this example, let's keep the default setting. Keep in mind that Adapt Sound only works while you are wearing headphone or earbud. And that's how you improve headphone sound using Adapt Sound on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.